The color range command is one of the easiest ways to make a selection in an image based on color. To access it, choose Select, Color Range. A new dialog box appears, and you'll want to click to make an initial selection. You can adjust the fuzziness to go ahead and adjust how many other colors are selected based on similar tones. If you'd like to keep it closer to where you clicked, use the Localize Color option and adjust the range. This makes it easier to isolate the selection so you don't accidentally pick up similar colors that are nearby. As you go through with a series of clicks, you could start to build a more complex selection. You can also drag to create a broader selection based on tonal range. I'm clicking within the image itself, but I can also come right over to the mask here and click to touch it up. This does a nice job, and between the two different sets of clicks, you can usually do a good job of grabbing everything. Tweaking the fuzziness slider will adjust what is and is not selected, and if you have a problem area, just hold down the Option or the Alt key to subtract from the selection. In this case, I'm removing these slightly pink pestils that are sticking out from the flowers. That looks good. Let's just tighten that up a bit, and I'll adjust the range and click OK to create a new selection. That looks great, and I could take advantage using the Refine Edge command if I want to refine things. Notice holding down the Option key, I could paint, or I could adjust with Smart Radius to clean up the edges. That looks pretty good. I'll click OK and add a hue saturation adjustment layer so I could adjust the color of the flowers as well as their saturation. Notice the localize adjustment is very targeted, and the select color range command was combined with an adjustment layer to make a more accurate total adjustment.